Hello everybody, it's Barry Joyce here, and I'm shooting this quick video to follow on from the video that you may have seen. If you haven't seen, it'll be in the description below, from the video in the beginning of January 2024, where I showed you my accounts in Binance from December 2023. Now, just before, with this being a new month, and just before I show you, please bear in mind this is not financial advice. I'm personally not a financial advisor. This is just purely for educational purposes, and these are my own results. You are not guaranteed to get these results, and if you are ever to invest in any of the platforms that I may be going to show you, please do your own due diligence, and only invest what you can afford to lose, because like most things, cryptocurrency is very volatile. Now, I showed you December's, as I mentioned earlier on. Now we're into a new month. At the time of this video, we're into February 2024. So now what I'm going to show you is January's 2024 year's accounts. And the reason I'm going to be showing you this for is because I just want to show you live evidence of how I am 100% fully in control of my own finance. Now, there are so many, and I've been involved in them before, there's so many platforms where you'll invest your hard-earned money, and then after 3, 4, 5, maybe lucky 6 to 12 months' time, they are going to rug pull, and you're going to lose all your money. With these platforms, these are generating me some really tidy commissions and some good percentages every single day. And I am in 100% control. I can stop the bots. I can do anything I want. I can lower the money. I can hire the money. I can do anything I want. I am fully in control of my own finance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, and again, if you wanted to have a look at December's, so remember this is January's 2024. If you want to have a look at December 2023, the video for the description will be in below this video here. So I'm just going to head over and I'm going to go to spot open orders. Now, as you can see, these are all the orders that I've done there. So as you can see, the time of this video, the date of this video is the 3rd of February 2024, and it's already made one trade already this morning. It is early doors as I'm shooting this video. So let me filter these just to January, just to show you January's results. So what we do is just go to trade history, look. And I'm just going to click the calendar there. So I'm going to go from the 1st of January 2024. As I mentioned before, we are on February the 3rd, Saturday, February the 3rd, 2024. So I'm just going to select that. So as you can see there, and I'm going to search. So that has searched all of the trades. So there's 2 trades there, look, actually. So it's just made a trade in the last few moments as we're speaking. So when I scroll down, look, you can see 48 pages. So 48 page worths of results this month. So all I'm going to do is go to 48. Look there. So we're on 1st of the 1st, 2024. So the 1st of January 2024, that's when I set it. And it made a trade with APE and USDT, US dollar tether. And as you can see, buy and sell, buy and sell. Now, as we go up, look, 100% control. And I don't even have to do anything on this. All I did was set the bot, and it's just running on autopilot. So when I'm sleeping, when I'm working, when I'm doing anything, this is still working. It's 24/7. So just going back to page 47, look. So as you can see there, so various different coins. So this time Doge, again, your ape. We'll have a Bitcoin trade. We have a Solana trade. Litecoin. Back to the Bitcoin again. If we go down, we go to the next page. So again, you know, Bitcoin, Sol, buy, sell, look, all the way through. So I'm just going to randomly go to here just to show you, because you don't want to be seeing it all. I think you get the gist of it. So look, 44, look there. So Avalanche, Doge. Look at the dates. So on the dates here, we're looking at the 4th of January. Let's go down another 2 pages. Let's go down another 2. So that's 4 pages. Look, just for example here. So we're now on the 9th of January. Look, buy, sell, buy, sell. Doge. So it's done some good marketing in the Doge there. All the way down. 36, 34. You know, you get the gist. So we're on the 9th. So it's done quite a lot of trades on the 9th there. So we're on the 10th, 11th. 12th, 14th looks, so all the way down. I don't want to go through them all because you can see that they're making the trades all the way right down to page 1. Look, so that's the 17th, and then we go into February. So like I said, we're in the 3rd of February. There's the date. There's the dates there. So as you can see in the past couple of days, look, so Avalanche, so your AXA and USD, so there must be some movement in the market for your Avalanche. So look, it's selling and it's selling, and the way it works, look, is so you'll pick so it'll show you the date, the pair, as you can see there. So it's everything's all done traded with USDT, the side, so whether it's buying or selling. And again, the bot is doing this for me. The price, so that's the price of the coin. So in the past couple of days, look, you can see there's been a little bit movement in the market. We did have a little bit of a pump the other day, but it did actually drop as well. So 36.66. So there's a little bit of movement there. Then it went up maybe to just about $1. So the artificial intelligence is picking that up. So it's made the file. You do pay small fees for the trade and the amount that it's actually trading. So as you can see there, you can up these as much as you want. I'm only doing small. These are only set for small trades. So it's only trading like 11.5 US dollar. Look at this one. It's only traded like just over $2, $8. This one here for the Sol. So the Solana, that traded $41. So it depends on what you set your settings at, and again, you can do exactly what you want there. And then the total in USD, what you're actually doing there. So that is it there. So that is my video for this month of February. I will be doing another video at the end of February or the beginning of March to show you February's account. Now, if you are interested in looking at any of the platforms, and this is just on the one platform, the descriptions are in the link. You can sign up for a free account. You don't have to invest. Have a bit play around with it. In particular, one of them will give you 3 days free trial. So just you've got nothing to lose. If you don't like it or you don't understand it, that's fine. But there are tutorials. You can reach out to me, and that's it. So if you've got any questions, just drop me a line and I will show you the video at the end or the beginning of March.